So, Lale, there was a headline that we broke just even 10 minutes ago that said that the government really doesn't know how to fund a $1.3 trillion program. They're considering issuing 25 years, maybe 50-year, longer dated bonds. What do you think about that?
Doesn't matter. The Fed will buy it. I mean, we talked about it, right? The central banks are there to support the federal governments at times of crisis. And this is a time of crisis, and you'll see it around the world. The Fed is there.
So isn't that MMT, modern monetary theory, where you just fund debt, fund the government?
You know, I don't even want to label it. I think this is a critical emergency time. We can worry about labeling it down the road, but it just needs to be done. I think we get too worked up between the investors and the politics and like how to do it, how to target it right. The speed and the efficiency is important. We got to get going, because if you can't stop this, I think the shape of the V and the depth of the V is just going to be that only on one angle is going to be brutal.
I don't think we have to worry about the Fed having to buy up long paper right now, because it'll take a while for Treasury to even initiate sales of that. They talked about it some time ago with the bond market and found there wasn't enough interest in really long-dated paper. So it may be that the Treasury wants to sell it, but if they can't get enough interest on the street, they aren't going to be able to do that. The idea is just simple, is spread out the debt as long as you can, because rates are so low right now, and you don't have to pay it back immediately. But whether it happens or not, it's probably going to take a while, and then we hope that the Fed's QE is done by then.
Megan?
Yeah, I will say that having once worked for an insurance firm, that insurance firms and pension funds will buy those long-term bonds all day, every day. So there is one player or a group of players in the market who will gobble that up, and it would be constructive for them.